bakhona abafamous
Yebo.
hayibo
Jo, bakhona yazi ngizofika lapho ukuthi ngikhulume yena casual ntate wa ka he. That's where dintho di laba worse because ke la qala jalo ban ho like ho hola like spiritually ka tsona dintho tsa witchcraft ne ka kenela too deep. Ya qala jwale ya nini ya sebetsa and then ya batla batho.
ozobabulala
Yebo, angithi kunabantu abashonayo but before isikhathi sabo.
okay
So they are alive. They are not dead. They are
Hayibo.
dead nje physically, but spiritually they are alive.
like really you've killed people
Yeah, but not physical. Akayetsa physical. Shapo. General communication ile sathane ne. Usathane bes communicator mina like ka umcabango. So ngazwa ivoice yaNkulunkulu like in my mom ne but bengizwa uNkulunkulu akhuluma lapho.
Pastor Gino Jennings invites you to join us for our first combined South African Holy Convocation at the Ellis Park Arena, 29 Bertrams Road, New Doornfontein, Johannesburg, 2094, South Africa. Services are Friday, August 7th at 5 p.m., Saturday, August 8th at 4 p.m., and Sunday, August 9th at 11 a.m. The first combined South African Holy Convocation at the Ellis Park Arena. For information, email fc.johannesburg@fcooljc.org.
Welcome once again kwiKota 2 Media. Igama lami ngumduduzi ngwakashabangu. Asibingelele sibonge ipresence kaMoya oNgcwele khona phakathi kwethu. Sibonge nje futhi bazalwane kwizindawo zonke la kufinyelela khona le message yeKota 2 Media. Siyabonga kuma returning viewers, siyabonga kofikayo, siyabonga futhi ngama comments amahle ngokulike. Ongaka subscribe naye aphinde asubscribe. Siyabonga nje ukukhulisa lo msebenzi. Sithi nje koqala ukufika siyakwamukela nawe, siyakuthanda ngendlela esimangaliso. Awulahlekanga la ekhaya ke nje sikhuluma indaba ezimnandi ezithinta nje umuntu kanye noNkulunkulu. Akukho kunye esikukhulumayo. Ngiyathemba impela ukuthi sothi siqeda la yobusizakale ngendlela nawe eyisimangaliso. Channel members laba abajoinile sanibonga kakhulu umsebenzi enwenzayo nje, siyawubonga isupport nabaqhamukayo emaceleni nani futhi bazalwane yanothisa, siyabonga. And nje inkosi ayinigcine nonke nemikhuleko nisazobukela nama advert, siyabonga nje kakhulu. As usually ngihlezi ngingekho ngedwa. Yeah, just nje ngama Sundays la ngitholakala khona ngingedwa khona. But nje lama amalanga angikho ngedwa, namhlanje angikho ngedwa la. Nginomzalwane la uBlessing Pesa ukhona phakathi kwethu. Before sekude ke sikwamkele sibonge nje nokuthi ufikile.
Yeah, ngiyabonga babusawami.
Yebo.
Yeah, ngiyabonga.
Sabonga kakhulu nje isikhathi sakho wamkelekile. Ufile free ke ukhuleke nje. Yeah, isekhaya lana nje ube free impela.
Ngizoba free.
Yes.
Yebo, ngiyabonga.
Ngifuna ukuthi ngikubize kahle ngendlela right ngetitle yakho. Abanye abantu baye bafile comfortable mangabe babize kanjalo. I don't know, mhlambe ungudoctor, mhlambe ungu-evangelist, mhlambe prophet, I don't know ubani.
Yo. Angazi yazi ngoba ngiya evangelizer.
Yes.
And I see visions and what. So angazi ukuthi ngizoyibiza kanjani lento leyo.
Okay. Okwamanje sikubize nje mhlawumbe Sister Blessing.
Yeah, correct
kanjalo. Okay, kulungile. Siyabonga kakhulu. Ake sikuthole thina nje singakwazi esiqalayo ukukubona ke simthole ngubani uSister Blessing Pesa.
Blessing. Okay, my name is Blessing.
Yes.
And I'm from Val, but
okay.
Ngimovile ngala eSoweto last year. I think it was last year May. Yeah, ngina 1 year ngihlala nga. ngale
Oh.
eSoweto.
Welcome to Soweto.
Yeah. Good right, yes.
Good right.
Yeah, kupholile. Yeah.
Oh.
Akunabantu abangaziyo, like I'm
Oh.
living my life peacefully. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Ngoba vale wonke umuntu uyangazi ukuthi hayi ubani lo Blessings sikhulile naye sayenzani naye uyabona, and
Yes.
then yeah, it's like that. But
Oh.
ngala kumnandi kuba bangiyazi bengijwayele ukuthi ngivakashe ngale ngivakashela ugogo wami. Yeah, bengiza phela ngokuvakasha.
Oh,
Yebo.
okay. Hayi ke kuhle mangabe ukuthi usitholele ipeace siyabonga. Yeah.
Yeah, my background ngikhulile ngiwumuntu I was not quiet, but I was quiet talking, and yeah, I was in the middle.
Oh.
So
yes.
yeah, ngikhuliswe abazali bami boyi-2.
Yes.
I'm the last born. Ngino bobhuti wami boyi-2, then my sister, then it's me. I'm last born.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
Yilaba bangezwa. Ngiyezwa kuthiwa amalasibona wezwa.
Hey.
Awusikhulumele wena.
Hey.
Na uyavuma.
Yeah, like ubanjalo when you're not saved.
Okay.
You do everything ukuthi ethandwa inhliziyo yakho. You do
Ehhe.
whatever ngoba uyakwazi ukuthi I'm a last born, abazali bami bazongikhulumela nani uyabona, so yonke into uyenza you do it freely, so
Yes.
so yeah, ngikhulwe ngimuntu but I was not into much like izintweni zomhlaba and what. I was just lo mntwana owenza noma yini, but ngibonile mase ngifika e-high school ukuthi izinto ziso mele ngenze njani, what and what. And then you meet friends, you do horrible things, and
Yes.
manje niyaphuza nenzani uyabona. So yeah, it was like that, but my life was not angisaphila uphilo bolibo.
Oburaf kakhulu.
No.
Oh,
My
okay.
parents were very strict, especially my dad. He was very strict. Awunosina ngwane lo uyakwalikwa, no.
Yeah.
Uyenza make sure ukuthi ulala endlini each and every day.
Yebo.
So yeah, it's like that. So lento ebhlungu ukuthi ngikhule kule environment ukuthi umama wami she's a Christian.
Okay.
And then ubaba wami he's someone else ukuthi uyenzele izinto zakhe. He's still doing ancestors what. So umama wami yena akaziyenzi, but ubaba wami uyaziyenza. So it was very like difficult to adjust ngoba umama akayifuni, ubaba uyayifuna, and some ukuthi le impilo injani uyabona.
Yes.
So unfortunately enough, I don't know ukuthi kwakwenzakalani when I was young. So I think someone in my family, maybe my dad or my grandmother or what, initiated me in this witchcraft kingdom, ne?
Oh.
So yeah, yaqala ngisasemncane ukuthi hayi man, why kwenzakala ukuthi ubaba mi yena ngiyabona ngale, like most of family yami ngiyayibona, but umama mi no, like few abantu bengababoni lapho yabona.
Maybe uyababona usho kubabona kuphi?
Like in this kingdom of witchcraft.
Oh.
Yeah. So umama mi yena and my siblings and my uncle and my grannies bengababoni nix. But my family, my dad side,
Yes.
and then some of my mother's side family bengibabona ngalapho ngithi kanti kwenzakalani, why am I seeing these people but not that, like these ones akibaboni but these ones kebabona. When you are a child you don't know what is wrong,
Yeah.
what is right. Uma ubona umuntu omdala enza lento le cabanga ukuthi hayi this is the way.
Yes.
Kanti no, this is not the way. The way is Jesus and ukuphila ubungcwele. Kanti no. So yakhula lento leyo until I was ngafika e-high school. So uma ngifika e-high school, that's where like the most serious dangerous things started, ne? And then I got to explore ukuthi umuntu uma ebulalwa kwenziwa kanjani, when you witchcraft someone, what are you doing, kumele wenzeni, uyabona.
ubani okufundisayo?
Akekho umuntu okufundisayo. You see them are more like in that side, in that kingdom of witchcraft.
Before you see what happened, I believe kufanele mhlambe it's a dream, but it's something like ezokwenza ukuthi ubone. Before you see what happened, kwenzakala nje.
No, it's not a dream, like it's real. Akere, there's me and there's me inside me.
Yeah.
The spiritual one, akere.
Yes.
So the spiritual one is the one ukuthi like ukhona ukuthi abone yonke into, ne? And then when it's at night, this one uyalala ngithi,
Yes.
and then this one uyaphuma.
Okay.
And then uma ephuma, then that's where you see izinto ezenzakalo, like what's happening like in the spiritual world and what. So
Okay.
but like nekibonaka like njalo, like bekibona yayetsahala this thing, like it's happening like real life, but ha really saw there's nothing happening, but at night we know ukuthi kwenziwa sona so.
Kushuthi wena ufika ubabone benza lokho abakwenzayo, bebulala abantu futhi.
Yeah, before
Hayibo.
mina ngiyenza ngithi bengibona qala ukuthi kwenziwani, basebenzisani and what.
Hey, uza nenye impela. Before now uyenze, because now ke wayenza.
Yeah.
Okay, asiqale la before ke kuyenze.
So before I like ngiba too deep in this kingdom of witchcraft, bengibona ukuthi ubana ngithi kune queen, kunemuntu onibambile.
Okay.
Angithi abathakathi like abantu abathakathayo nanoma bathakatha noma bayenzana,
Yeah.
kunomuntu babambile like the queen or a king ebanikeza ama instruction ukuthi mele nenzeni, awuyenzi izinto kuphela nje ukuthi hayi manje ngiyahamba ngiyawuzibani nginomenza, cha, uzozwa ngoking or queen ukuthi mele mina ngifuna 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Maybe sometimes uSatan uyanikeza ama instruction ukuthi ngifuna nobani umbali nozibusiso nobani bengekho, or noma ama blessings wabo angekho, ini family nani ingekho, yabona.
Yebo.
So and then I got to realize, uma ufuna ukuthatha izibusiso zomuntu wenza kanjani, uyabona, noma ufuna ukubulala umuntu wenza kanjani. So we got to see hore uma umuntu bengibulala, before bembulala like la enyamene, bambulala spiritual.
Hayibo.
Yeah, kunomncwabo bewenzayo like in that kingdom of witchcraft. Bag inside the box, maybe a shoe box. Then bag kenya kamo, and then kwala hantle
Mabekufaka khosweni suku ngekho yini abayifakayo lapha.
bafaka wena like bakuyenza kahle nje, bayenza uzibusiso, like umuntu loyo ufana nozibusiso nje, uyafana naye.
Hayibo.
Yeah.
Bakwenza bangedo kanjalo.
Yeah, bakwenze noma bathathe umpopi, kodwa ebusweni ufana naye uzibusiso, and then uzibusiso bamfaka lapho, bavale, and then it's a funeral. Like there's like it's a process, like wabona umancwebeni bayenzana, like they are doing that thing. Umuthi ubani uzokhuluma ayenzeni kukhaliwe, yebo, like izinto ezenzakala lo in this witchcraft thing,
Yeah.
they do it real before they could be real, like more in this world, like naturally, uyabona. Nanoma umuntu befuna ukumshadisa, bayamshadisa ngali, and then uzibusise noma umbali yena uzophupha uThemba ukuthi hayi manje yazi ngiphuphe uThemba nani sishada nani. uThemba azathi hey mina ngifuna ukushada, and then akushade kube kanjalo.
Kanti ikhandiwe.
Kanti hayi bayenzile ngale ukuthi uThemba ashade umbali. nanoma
Yo.
uThema akafuni ukuthi mina angifuni ukushada uMbali ngifuna ukushada maybe uPalisa noma uLerato uzoshada uMbali ngoba kwenziwe ngale ukuthi ushadwe. And then the most painful thing ukuthi
Yeah.
like noma like these things they like dietsahala ne
Yes.
your family members they are there because they are going to need your blood.
Like blood impela.
Yeah. Yeah. So bazo need your blood. So someone in your family must be there. It's either your mom, your dad, your sisters, your what. They needs to be there in order ukuthi lezinto sikhona ukuthi ziyenzakale kahle nje.
Kushuthi lo someone kufanele kube umuntu naye abam-initiateile.
Yebo.
Okay.
Ngoba kule like in this kingdom of witchcraft there are so many members, family members and what.
Hayibo.
Yo kunabantu abaningi, there are a lot. Nanoma umbona umuntu ekathi ha la uyathandaza umzalwane. No. You have to see the real person ukuthi yena ukai, and then that's where you will know ukuthi hayi uyathandaza lo mama noma ubaba uyathandaza uyena uyasho ukuthi mina I'm a Christian, umntwana kaNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu yangisebenzisa and what. So in that kingdom we have to like beribona the pastors,
Hayibo.
the bishops and what. Yeah, tell her in the thing more like more fatsing more and they are preaching like
Hey.
yeah. So ngoba ngale kingdom babanikeza amandla like uSathane uyabanikeza amandla ukuthi wena uzenza kanjani ukuthi ubahohele labantu laba ukuthi baze in your church and they have to ukuthi babe in your church and then
Yes.
wena uzenza izinto zesone ukuthi uba initiate
Sure.
in this kingdom. So abaningi like abafundisi like the most of the churches
Yeah.
yeah
Bakhona famous.
yebo
Hayibo.
jo bakhona yazi ngizofika lapho ukuthi ngikhulume ayazi babshaba like this
yeah.
thing is very real and it's bad like ayikho right. uNkulunkulu akayithandi. That's why the Bible yasho ukuthi uNkulunkulu akafuni abantu abafebayo ababulalayo abathakathayo abayenzani akabafuni ngoba like in this like witchcraft ne that's where like izinto like most of the things dietsala ngite maybe body or the tsetsa body ubufebe na ubujwala and what that's where dintho tseo di bang teng haholo because ke sa kwa ko witchcrafting. So witchcrafting dintho tse ngata
Yeah.
di ba exposed diteng di qala kwa because kwenzakala ukuthi umakhelwane athandane no makhelwane wakhe but more in real life they don't know anything. Physically nje they're just pretending ukuthi hayi bani umakhelwane nani ini or ubaba athandane nomntwana wakhe. Umama athandane nomamkhulu no mamncane and what like yeah they are lesbians and what those things they are there in this witchcraft.
Hey impela I difficult le ndaba I deep futhi iyathusa. All right yazeni akuze nayo ngoba uthi okunye vele so lokho sokubalile okunye kuzohamba kungene along the way.
Yeah.
Awu sibeke nje.
Okay, so when I was still in high school, that's why angithi ngisho ukuthi that's where I got to exposed in these things.
Yes.
Ngabona kahle ukuthi izinto zenziwa kanjani, ubani noma afuna abani uzomthola kanjani.
Yeah.
Uyabona. So ngabona lapho ukuthi hayebo mama uyathandaza uNkulunkulu like uyamnikeza these blessings and what. But like they are akasitholi yena uyabona.
All right.
Yeah, asifiki kuwe ngoba ubaba nobani bayathatha bayabatshontshela izinto zabo. They take whatever uNkulunkulu abanikeza yona.
Angifuna ukuunderstanda kahle. Ubaba ngesikhathi ethatha uyazazi ukuthi vele uyathatha, uyazazi ukuthi ukule kingdom of darkness.
Yes.
But ushade umama umama akazi.
No. Mama akazi. Like my mom didn't know anything until it was when I was doing my grade 11. That's when my mom knew about us, about my dad, about everyone. That's where she got to know ukuthi ubani. That's where uNkulunkulu amtshelayo reveal yonke into ukuthi hayi labantu laba
Yeah.
bayetsa di fly by night.
Hey, yazi ngisase confused kancane but ngiyakuzwa khona. So asenze kanje mhlawumbe asiqale ekuqaleni ubaba ushada umama emazi ukuthi uyiChristian.
No, that time umama bebashada ne, she was not a Christian. She
Right.
was just someone else who wayezenzela izinto zakhe.
Okay.
So uNkulunkulu wamkhetha. I think it was on 2013, 12 somewhere there. Wamkhetha ukuthi wena uzoba a prophet, then akhetha umalume wami ukuthi wena uzoba umfundisi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
uma abakhetha uNkulunkulu, they didn't know anything.
Okay.
Ukuthi hayi khona abantu abakhona la in this witchcraft kingdom ne. Yeah. So bona balokhu bayathandaza but uNkulunkulu akareveal ukuthi abobani abahlala nabo. Ureveala no, I think it was 2023. Ka 2023 ura man.
Yeah.
This thing. So it's have a calculator. Oh man, what's la so maybe ka 2015 and what.
Yes.
Kanti it was this person all along.
Yo, it's like uthi uyashada umuntu kanti kubo kuyathakathwa into enjalo. Yena ngakutsheli baqhubeke bona benze lento zabo of darkness.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like abantu abathakathayo ne abakutshela ukuthi mina ngiyathakatha or mina ngenzana ngenzina abakutsheli.
Yeah.
Even if uhlangana nomuntu umenza maybe your friend or something akakutshela ukuthi ha mina ngiyathakatha ngenza izinto ezisona so akakutsheli. Wena uzobona malokhu isikhathi sihamba ukuthi hayi man lo muntu lo wenza izinto ezistrange noma or sometimes uyamphupha ubona akwenza something eso akuthakatha or akulwisa or anything then kimotlo realize oh man this one is different, there's something happening kaye.
Okay.
So yeah.
Alright, so wena ngesikhathi uphupha your father's side uyababona like yababona benza zonke lezi zinto. Ngalesikhathi bebefuna uku-initiate ngaleso sikhathi.
No, bese bang initiateile.
Oh.
Angithi bese ngikhona lapho mina in this witchcraft. Bese
Okay.
ngikhona bengingaphuphi like it was something happening like real one beyenzakala like yabo. So it was strange ngoba umama bengingamboni and some other family members nabantwana bakithi bengingababoni bengibona this ones only. So bengakhona ukuthi ngikhulume ngenzeni ngoba bengibuza ukuthi ngizokhuluma kanjani and bengafika emcondweni wami ukuthi ngikhulume.
Yeah.
Yabona ngaqhubeka ngayo until and then when I was still in high school, I think maybe grade 10 ngimqalile udiyetha head into tsa witchcraft and then uma ngifuna ukuthi ngenzeni ngithatha something yomuntu sengibonile ukuthi mele ngikhulume bazokunikeza umuthi nyana onjani and then ngikufake and then okay ngiyakhuluma manje ngiyathatha. So into ebhlungu ukuthi mina bengizenza spiritually. So bengazenzi physical, so bona bebazenza physical and spiritual, bebahamba izinyanga and what, so mina bengazenzi lento lezo. That's why ukuthi umama bengangiboni like unesamponi because nikileza spiritual fela nekusabezi physical. Yeah, so and then yatsamaya nako jale sekiyetsa ke re se ke qala o like ya o kenella like in these things yabona ke ba too deep ka go tsona. And then my mom and my dad, they got separated and then ka dula le my dad fela because nentse ke santsa nkena school. So
Okay.
my mom yena lo dula kwa. Then ka jwale ntate wa ka he. That's where dintho di laba worse because ke la qala jwalo bana ho like ho hola like spiritually ka tsona dintho tsa witchcraft ne ka kenela too deep. And then ntse kenela jwalo bang fa something like a snake, like you know it's like it's a snake inyoka like the real one ne. Bang niyeza yona and then yahlala la kimi emzimbeni wami ngaphakathi kimi.
Yo.
So
Ubani okunikezayo?
ngale
There must be this one person okuyena ofika kunikeza.
no yazi kwenzakalani ne. When you are still in that thing ne. Angithi uyayenza. Usathani yena uyasupply ngezinto zakhe. Angithi zakhe lezo. Uyasupply uyakunike like the more uphakama like uba ko ranking eating.
Okay.
Wa supply ka tsona dintho tseo rona tse tlo thusa hore like o etse msebetsi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, now wasithola sewuna yonke that snake.
Yeah, and then yadula kona. Yo, but this thing ilangja like ininja like yo ininja and then ikaslima.
Hayibo.
Yo bunole bed
Kanti
mama.
hayi ukuthi nje ifika izokusiza.
Akiri ibatla the blood.
Yo.
Iphila ka yona phela. So yo yangja kamu yangja and then my mom was like hayibo wena and then what's happening waslima so and then I'm just like right tabe yalona papa divorced ayingiphatha kahle nani so I get to explain jwalo ufaneke the reasons tseo so kafaneke the reasons and then my mom I believe man utloluka don't worry and what ka we ke okay it's fine. Then ka mo ke qala ho hejwa lo hore ho yetsa jwang ho bulaya batho and then that's where then qala o yetsa ntwe ka ba serious jole ke serious ka yona like ke kemseditse hore ya no ka yetsa ntwe.
Usafunda futhi.
No, I'm not learning anymore. I'm doing it. Akusalena sekitsiba like wabona sengiyazi manje ukuthi uma ngifuna ukwenza like something so ngiyenza kanje.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Esikoleni khona ke like esikoleni usaya?
Yeah, ngisaya esikoleni but hayi angisafuni ukufunda. I'm that person nje oloring akinataba or like what's happening in my life and what akusanandaba akusabata jwale mama ka like bata jwale fela intatu wa ka fela so ka di weekend ne ke go ko mama ke ne kusabatle but ne ba ang push until ke be ke ye kwena and then so ne ke etsa ke ntshwane le reng ha ke le ko mama ka a khone o sebetsa hantle because my mom wa rapela wa bona so utlong disturb ke batla mkwana go heso le go ntate wa ka mo ke ntse ke etsa fela le ke etsa dintho fela the week batlang ka teng. So and then this thing ya qala jwale ya nini ya sebetsa and then ya batla batho
ozobabulala.
Yebo, like mele mina ngibabulala ngithi yena yabafuna and like hayi ba batla jwale ibatla their blood I batli bona batho ba ena taba le bona e batla the blood so mele nke supply and o supply wa ka mele ke tse msebetsi ke tse jwang ngibulala abantu
Before sifike la sobulala khona abantu awukhumbuli like uma uhlala phansi ucabanga ukuthi manje ungazathi ngesikhathi bengenza 1 2 3 ekhaya it's when they were initiating me.
angikhumbuli yazi. I was very young. Maybe I thought maybe bang ngenisile in this thing when I was still young. Ngoba bayenze na like balayetsang ko hisne bani ba yini lento le.
Sithi nokucaba.
Ucaba.
Ukwenza ngerazor so.
Yeah, bayenzile aba my siblings like my brothers and my sisters mina abanyenzanga. So angazi ukuthi ngingene kanjani ngoba ungena uma bakwenzile lezi zinto lezo. So angazi ukuthi maybe bale bangithatha bangikisa kai and then I don't know. I really don't know. I just find myself there ngiyenza lento leyo yabona. I don't know ukuthi ngingabang initiate kanjani nani angiyazi lento leyo.
Before uzongena la usubulala khona. uqale wenza something enye before. I think wa qualify to reach to a stage sokuthi manje usuyabulala. Ikuphi okukhumbulayo nje few of those othi ngenza mhlawumbe uzibani mhlawumbe ngamthathela something ongakushare
okay.
nje.
Ngaqala ngabantwana bakithi ne, my siblings.
Hayibo.
So they are older than me, way older. Like Khasiyana bangisiya ka dilemo tse dingata. So nna ke nna ole while I was born, like yeah. So it's about qeta school, and then he was like, mina ngifuna ukusebenza and I wanna do something like maybe yini labantu laba man ba traffic police, what, yeah.
Okay.
So ngaqala kanjalo like when in that kingdom of witchcraft bayazi ukuthi umntana kithi ufuna ukwenza lento leso, uzibani bani ngizomsiza ukuthi ayithathe lento leyo ingayenzakala.
Yo.
Uyabo uma bafuna ukuya e-university and what, ngiyayenza manje mina, ngiyathatha ngiyalo ukuthi hayi awuyi lapho.
So bagcina bengazange ngempela futhi bazitholele izinto ade bezifuna.
Yeah, and then that's when after that ngaqala ngabanye abantu le ukuthi uma ngifuna ukumenza so ngingayenza lento le ngiyenze ngimuzwiza ubhlungu, and then ngabona ukuthi okay iyasebenza lento le.
Ubazusubhlungu because bekuhethile or just nje you are practicing?
Ngiyapractice, angithi mele ngiyazi.
Yo.
Mele nami ngihambe like kiye ko di ranking tse ding ke ska dula like in these ranks and ke le munyane and what ke batla ho ya kwa the high ranking, and the high ranking wa costa awi nje ura tshwanetse you cost or tshwanetse with something dangerous. That's when o tlo yankwa. So ya qala jwalo abo mwaka bantse ba rapela benza ngathatha ama blessings njalo ngithatha amandla yenzeni. That's where ngakhula khona.
Do you know ukuthi mawathatha lama blessings aya kuphi?
Yebo.
Aya kuphi?
Aya kule kingdom of witchcraft.
Yeah. Afuthi awezi kuwe just aya lapha.
Wena into eza like etlanko wena is the power.
Okay.
Angithi umzalwane uma umthathele ipower, umzalwane phela unikezwe amandla. uNkulunkulu uthe ngimnikile amandla, ngithi mina noma ngiwathatha lamandla lawo ayangibooster, uyabona. So that's where ukuthi ngakhula khona ngazenza like lezinto lezo, ngabulala abantu. Like you talk with your mouth and then you say uzibani like le moto ezozayo, maybe a bus etlo fitang mo never ya fita without accident. And then you go there spiritually, so awe physical like babamba ya physical akere go ba depend on wena o guy. So babamba ya spiritually, but nene ke spiritual nene ke abugo gai ha ino fita mo besi ba tsamaya batho ba then then it happens. So maybe ka basing they were 60 and then maybe ke thotse maybe uma 20, then I know I'm okay. Tshwanetse ba mfe idea, not idea, tshwanetse ba mfe number ya hore re batla batho ba ikae.
Okay.
So nna tshwanetse ke tle ka plan ya ke tlo ba thola jwang batho bao. Wa bona ke aya somewhere some guy then ke a bua accident e etsahala hore mang a go betse ka tlung, those people that are dead tsolo re ngatsa mali tsona o tlo ya lo ba abagame bosibe then ba tsamaye jwalo. So most of abantu ba sa tsebeng gore ba nahana hore like in this witchcraft kingdom name there are people beloreng ba o thusa ba ya kusiza ne, and labantu labo they are dead people. Angithi kunabantu abashonayo but before isikhathi sabo.
Okay.
So they are alive, they are not dead, they are dead nje physically but spiritually they are alive.
Enye futhi leyo. Okay, khona nabo basuke bebulawe yibo laba balapha kwi kingdom of darkness. Mabe babulala kanjalo before time abafanga. They are using their manje. And
there are so many of them. Moto A1 akatsamala batho ma 50.
How?
like ke dula ke tjho ke re if God it happens hore a re bule spiritual eye gele kaofela o ka bana le something e etsahalang nje goba o ka tsamaya strateng re tsamaya so goba there are so many people out there.
Hey, iyawarisha lento.
Yeah.
Right, umuntu kubo kwazi ukuthi ufile kanti akafanga.
Yeah, but there are people that knows like in that family ukuthi uzibani akafanga khambona motsilinge like malokhu isihamba siyambona or uyeza endlini and do whatever.
Nawe bebek-assista labo bantu.
Yeah.
Badlani lapha abahlala khona?
Badla like the food that we are cooking like montlung. Yeah, nanoma niphekile bayeza labantu labo bayadla.
Hayibo.
And then they go. Or noma abantu laba bona abantu laba bayenza imicimbi inani.
Yes.
Yeah. They say they are doing for ancestors and what.
Yeah.
Labantu labo bayeza lapho bayadla.
Hayibo.
And then uma bathi hayi uyazini labantu bayasijwayela bayahlanza.
How?
Khona lapho. When you just see ukuthi this is food must there's nothing happening kayona. Kanti labantu laba badlile. And then bahlanza and then they go.
That's worse.
Yeah, so that's why I always say ukuthi like people must stop ne. Bayenzela bathi mina ngiyenzela ugokwami ufikile wathi kumina ulambile nifunani ayikho lento leyo ugogo wakho uyaphila usathana uyamsebenzisa ukuthi aze kuwe wena ozoyenza umcimi bazoyenzani bazophakala abantu laba abalambile bayenzeni or bahlanganise kanjalo ukuthi bazobona ukuthi ngizobula like retlo among next and then bayetsa jwang babula ba khetho uzibani and then jwal they take their souls just like that. So it's very dangerous those things sabodi ancestral what ukwenza like di tsona di ntotse ukofela ukuthi wena uyahlaba manje wenzani khona abanye abantu bayenza lezi zinto ngithini like uma umuntu eshonile angithi like osalayo angithi bathi ugqokani ini
lokugqoka asithi kushone ubaba wasekhaya umama afake lezi impahla ezimnyama inzilo thina
So those things they are very really bad because that's where ubavulela khona ukuthi abathakathi bangene endlini yakho and they do whatever that they want.
Sure.
So this thing ilaba serious. That's where kilabona ngore this thing iba deep. That's where lo reng next wa le sekolo mina ke na school and what kitsa and then yaqhubeka lento le yaba serious and then my uncle passed away. I can at grade 11 ka June and this one then onale ka this kingdom of witchcraft.
Your uncle wakho?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ulasibona kagogo. Ilasibona kagogo.
Okay.
So naye wayenza lento leyo. Beka khona like usasekhona namanje uyaphila like spiritually so uyaphila akaphili la physically uphila spiritual. Yena like wayenza izinto ezibhele zokuthi asacrifice angazi ukuthi usacrifice ngaye or nani ngoba like more kingdom of darkness there in this witchcraft thing. Akengakasele bo king no. Yeah, sale dangerous but ke motho dangerous solo ring he's dead. Re mo patile go ka June. So yes, bana ba sa tsebe hore what happened until after ke ba delivered ka ba tshwetse hore this person is still alive. Watla mo a etse 1 2 3 or watla ko ka ya etse what and what. So until go like those people they can use your body. Bangene like in your body and do whatever wena ungekho la.
Mina like ngibhekile ngiphila so or ngilele they can use my body ngilele or
uphila nje like so I can walk out in my body and that person wakena mo in my body, and
Yeah.
he uses my body. Ngaba siko like maybe a whole week. Kile
Hayibo.
somewhere nje maybe bo Namibia, bo Lesotho and what kids or whatever kids. Yena use body yakhe. Because it can happen ukuthi uphume emzimbeni wakho for a week because this person akutloshwa unida someone inside
Okay.
a tlo survive nka yena ke. So ne re tsa jwalo ne re tshintshana. Umalume wami beka ngena like emzimbeni wami he uses my body. And then na ke tsamaya ke somewhere ke etsa dintho tsa di witchcraft yena o use body yakhe. So ka mo ntlung de ba nahana hore ke blessing
Hayibo.
kanti blessing hayo ona le maybe a month alisiko.
Wena ukwenye ndawo busy nezinye izinto.
Yeah,
Ukuphi wena ngaleso sikhathi?
akere sometimes ba offer assignment ne,
Okay.
and then aba offer assignment e require wena uye somewhere maybe let's say uya Zimbabwe, akere o ka se Zimbabwe with this body.
Okay.
Tshwanetse o sebedise the real one akere.
Yeah.
So the real one mele a tsamaye, so the all has it ho bane le someone a kenang ka a sebedisang body a twetsang whatever etsang ka yona. So re ne re tsa jwale na le malome wa ka ne re tshintshana ka body okay o tlo kena ka mo because yena he was always with me always ha ya ka fela o tsamaya le nna.
Oh.
So ne le ntho jwale re la etsa something like a covenant and what ba re king ka seZulu.
Isho nangesisuthu.
A vow, something like a vow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ukuthi mina nawe ngeke ngesihlukana. Sizohlukana uma wena uza ngapha ushona like la emhlabeni physically uza ngale sizosebenza sisonke until isikhathi sethu ukuthi sishone like serious. Omunye hame it's either he goes to hell and what. So kanti nna ka ba delivered asalaliwane kwa. So yabanthe jwalo. So there are so many things that happen there. They're really bad, like the bad hore o bolaya motho at the young age ba like ha ona uzwelo
Yo.
ne and sadani o fa ntwana ring ha kenye uvalo.
Yeah.
Ufa like is bit sorry uyayenza lento le, and after we yenze you don't regret, you don't do anything. Inkare ha ona imizwa.
Yeah.
Ujwalo nje wena uya a dead person ngoba umuntu o dead is the one oloring hana yona imizwa, but the real one unale yona imizwa. So that's where like the total day it's a thing. And then when I was still doing my matric,
Yes.
ngabona khona ukuthi bazongibulala labantu la.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kwasakwenzakalani ubona sokuthi bazokubulala?
Ngabona like mo kingdom of witchcraft ba etsa dintho tsa hore ba batla ho mpolaya. And then ngathi no, never ngeke ngiyala mina. Ka jwetsa malume wa ka, and then I told my uncle lo re he's a pastor. No,
Okay.
he's a pastor. Yeah.
Okay.
Ngamtshela ukuthi hey ba batla ngipolaya batho ba like sira. And then he prayed for me berele ko rank. Next natabo re mo ranking and what.
Yes.
I just told him, and then we prayed there. And then I feel like then I told my mom. Then my mom gets a salvation prayer. And then we prayed. Then I'm done. Ay, ka khutlela happy.
Before sifike lapho umama ekukhulekela uphinde ubuyela cause uthi wahutlela hape. Right. Asibuye sithi ku reverse kancane. Ngesikhathi uthi nawe wagcina usubulala abantu. Like really you've killed people.
Yeah, but not physical. Akayetsa physical. Kiyenze spiritual.
Wababona physically bencwajwa kuthiwa
Yeah.
bashonile.
Yeah.
Sure.
Kababona bayiyetsala like physical, but akaya physical nje kiri ngiyakubulala wena or
Yes.
noma ngithumela abantu bayokudubula nani. Riyenze this thing ya witchcraft. Witchcraft is really really bad. You can do dintho tse dingata wa shata uyakuthola umshado. Ne? Like if they say you want someone. Uyasho nje ukuthi mina niyezeni i3 months ngiyakutshela ubaba Mfukeng ngobani
Yeah.
ngizomthola. and umthole vele within that 3 months
Yeah.
akushade.
Yo.
So
Yeah.
la like more witchcrafting o khona uthola whatever, but we thola hambi because uNkulunkulu akunikezi yona.
Yeah.
uSathane uyakunikeza, and you really know ukuthi uSathane ubani.
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa. Like the biggest number osewake wayibulala nje. Like mhlambe it was a car accident or ikhona ikhumbulayo?
Number yabantu kaba
Yeah.
yo akubholi because nakenze into zingada. Hayi angikhumbuli sha.
Asithi nje mhlambe uke wayicause a car accident.
Yeah.
Mawucabanga mawukhumbula kwashona abantu abangaki nje.
Maybe let's say maybe more than 50 and one. Yeah, ngoba la mo kingdom of witchcraft wayetsa ngitho Satane wa ufa nthore ke batla 20 no. Akere itlo qala ka 20, itlo qala maybe ka 5. And then ye 10, ye bo 20, ha o re sele 30, ha o re sele 35. Untsa ufa fela number. So when o end up o high bo hekare ke ntse ke bolele maybe o batho bo my 100 or more than 100. Answer for fela number guy. If o batla something so in fact by 30.
Okay.
Within 6 months. So like ubulaya motho within a month ukabulaya motho but bo my 100. No bofa duration okay. Or within 6 months ga e batla 100.
Yini le asuke kuthembisa ukuthi uzoyithola?
Akere ha o le motho o le rong o smart kam. Ake gona re ne re bane re ne re shebile. Ha o motho a smart wa mojetsa wa o ra wa tsa keng. Nna ke batla maybe power. Ke batla ba di high ranking, ke batla ba mane mo loreng le nne se khona go bana le batho ba andanna.
Okay.
Wena o tlomfang if nna ke tsa jwala. And then o jwetso gae. Mfe maybe 20 ya batho. And then mfe power o le nileng ke mzalwane ba ibe mo my 5. Tsama o lo nka power ya bona. O ba qete bazalwane bawo. And then we make sure ga wa yetsa.
Yeah.
And then after more obvious o feel so the high ranking or maybe o batla maybe a car or maybe o batla in money or what. Another something to yetse for that.
And then mawusuku higher rank sekunabantu abangaphansi kwakho.
Yeah.
You just gain a position, that's all.
Position, power, respect. None.
Okay.
Yeah. So khona abantu abazokurespect even other people. Na batho ba baholo ne bang respect.
Yo.
Yeah, cause nesekile ko di high ranking. Before ke tlo ba delivered nesekile ko di high ranking ke batla no maine. Ke mjetso ke re ke batla ngthwe. So that's where loring dintho di laba tsa bangata tso loring tshwane ke di wa dimanda lena ka dimanda hang batla mo dina wa bona. So mele re exchange ana go if nna go batla but by 30 wena mfe high ranking ke khone tse bore batho ba ka ba rula.
Okay.
Wa bona. So and then it's ala jalo and then it happens ore ka fitla mo le to the point hore sekile di high ranking jwal ne and actually the high ranking jwal ona something tshwanetse etsahale. And then yena angitisetsa mang celebrity le celebrity nyane esone. He's a soccer player. So wa bona this thing I get to bua ka yona but yeah he's a soccer star. Yeah o dlala bolo. And then le yena kanti soccer player o ka ra witchcraft. I'm telling you. O bona abane ba bua ka hore prela ening mana bua ka hore this thing ya di soccer and what is demonic. Ke bone mo hore man this thing is demonic. O tla jwang motho. Soccer player e tla jwang mo. And then kante sadane o jwetsa hore this is your person. Umuntu wami.
Okufanele akushade.
akasho ngazomshado.
Okay, this is a person okufanele umbulale
No, umuntu like uzoba umuntu wami.
in a spiritual world.
Yeah.
Niyasebenzisana.
Yeah, like
Eh.
umuntu wami like this thing uzothando and what. Yeah, umuntu wami ke loyo.
Oh, okay. Ngeke nishade but more like your boyfriend.
Yeah, angithi
Okay.
sizofika lapho isikhathi sokuthi sishade mina naye.
Okay.
Yeah, so wangilethela lo muntu lo ngoba
Yeah.
I was in that high rank and what. So mele urauli di high ranking, utla batho ba di high rank, utle motho o kwa.
Yeah.
So that person no go di high ranking len. Atla go and then ishapu general communication in the southern ne. Usathani bes communicator mina naye like ka umcabango.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Umcabango nna ke amjwetsa hore I want this thing and then ina tlo njwetsa hore ke tlo fa eng and what ne se fitile to the point e jwalo. And then atla soccer play na ke okay it's fine. Na ke ra una ntho ke nahana.
Yes.
Uba jwalo siyaqhubeka yeah. And then we dated and this person unomuntu wakhe like in real life.
Okay.
Nami nginowami in real life.
Yeah.
But when we are in
Spiritually.
spiritual and witchcraft, umuntu wami ke loyo akafuni nix ngami, akafuni nothing. So kwenzakala ukuthi hayi sharp usathani wathi like this thing uyalunore like ibe strong. Mele kube nomntwana.
How? Yo. Right.
So okay, then I get like nani nix. I just do the interfere because I'm not taking yet. And then there was a baby.
Waba khona vele umntwana
Yeah, but not
in a spiritual way.
Yeah, not
Hayibo.
physically. I mean, a physical anginayo. And then it happens abanayo ke umntwana wayena oyenza ukuthi into le ibe strong. Abakhona like abantu like abantwana. Even these people beloring they are not married.
Yeah.
But they do sexual relations, they have the babies. Even though umuntu like ase pregnant. Kabaka lobani yena o la ayetsa dintho tseo una le bana. There are so many babies. Motho one kilwa ke itso motho ba tsebelang mo ke bua teng mo podcasting ka tshore bana le bana maybe o ka bana le bana ba my 50
Hayibo.
100 yeah. As long fela untso etsa ntho modimo ring ha e batle modimo itse nna a ke batle gore motho a etse di sexual relations le motho a solo a ramshatanga. So wena o yetsa o sa shata bana bona na baya kae oba uNkulunkulu uma ahlanganiswa umfazi no nendoda uyenza ukuthi umntwana abe khona yithi yena uyamrelease lo mntwana.
Yeah.
So wena awazi oba pregnant spiritual and then umntwana uyeza wena unzweketsa number ya bana and then usona le bana bo my 50 100 and then wena how deep.
This is deep. Impela nje futhi kakhulu. Hey, yeah, yazini. Okay, ake sibuye la kuwe. All right. Kuyila in that spiritual world. Before ube nomntwana kwenzeka njengala emhlabeni you were pregnant for 9 months. What happened?
Yeah. But 9 months are spiritual a fast again rather than physical.
Okay.
Physical is almost like a year. Again 9 months is almost like a year.
Yes.
More like 9 months I think is more than and then we are done. One of our thing. Yeah.
Before uthola umntwana khona isibhedlela sakhona khona ama midwives laba abatetisanayo. What happened?
Yeah, spiritual world is like a world, a real world. Yeah. You have abantu abazokutetisa ube nayo umntwana akhule. But I get the spiritual world se fast. Rather than kamo na ngwana o nka nako ga hole I get.
Okay.
Ka kwa ka spiritual world wo fast go ngwana hole.
Oh.
Yeah. So etsa la into ya boyfriend scandal sa boyfriend and then we continued her with this guy. Until so into anything nang gore nna ke na le boyfriend mo. Ene ke na le ona boyfriend mara boyfriend ena hana stress ha bana stress ho etsa lang ka nna because le bona ba in this kingdom of witchcraft akere and then yaqhubeka lento leyo but this thing in affecta like family yaka because akere the more o etsa dintho tse bad ha o etse o bona ha o etse wena fela o etsa ko family ya hao wa bona so and then ya etsa la jwalo and then ka ba delivered ka last year ka around September August towards the end of August and then ka ba delivered go thing and then I got delivered how we went generally go kerekeng ne when we were still in at the church.
Sekuyenye deliverance apart from leyo ukuthi waya ku uncle wakho.
Yeah, and this is the real one.
Okay.
Yeah, like the complete one, the deliverance ayempela.
Okay.
Angithi bebangikhulekela ngibuyela futhi.
Yeah, ngiyakhumbula ukuthi no mama wakho akukhulekela waphinde wabuyela
futhi. So this one, it was the real one ngoba the time we were still in the church, uNkulunkulu wakhuluma.
Okay.
And then we were praying. My mom, she's a prophet. I grew one to the tongues and what. So ngazwa ivoice yaNkulunkulu like in my mom ne, but bengizwa uNkulunkulu akhuluma lapho.
Okay.
And then I heard the voice. The voice said to me, "Homani ukuthi sabhloko blessing." So young sharp voice ka utlo re mona na someone a buang and this someone wa buang o bua ka authority o bua ka like man and then I cried this ka tshwanetse hore ke respond back why and then ngaxolisa uNkulunkulu and then he delivered me ngaba right yazi ngayithola deliverance yami I got delivered that way and then after them ngaqala ukubona izinto like I think he was using me. There was something eloring ekena ka one and then kibua and then nkare ke profit or anything and then I got to see things wabonse tsalang mo like in the world and what wabon.
Okay.
So yeah.
Cela ukuphazamisa futhi. Lapha ya into ebiyenza ukuthi because before uke waba delivered waphinde wabuyela yini ebiphinde kubuyisele.
I think maybe next week I can like a decision, the right one would say. Angisabuyeli lapho. Angisayifuni lento leyo. Akire ngibesanza nongwele mnati because I was still doing my things angithi. So when you are still going ka Galfat. Awutloba easy ube delivered. When you are still usanza no urata dintho tsa mo lefatsheng. Never oba delivered, never. But the time ungan decision yore no akusabatla nix no I'm done ke mo he utloba kuthola deliverance yake impela.
Yeah ngisho yazi ngibuziswa ukuthi ngoba uthi bebefuna ukukubulala uzozuza uthi hayi ngicela ningithandazeleni maye bongasabi uthi mangibuyela bazongibulala futhi.
Bengasabi. No.
Was it because of jealousy ukuthi bafuna ukubulala mhlambe phela ngale ama rankings bosukwenye wena?
Hey angazi yazi ukuthi bebafuna ukubulalela ini.
Okay.
I don't know but I know for sure ukuthi bebafuna ukubulala.
Yeah.
So ngakare no not with my life. Never ga riska bophelo ba ka jwalo. That's where loring ka be ke kopa hore bang rapel.
Then wathola i-deliverance la khona ke manje uNkulunkulu ekhuluma khona. What happened ingale snake esangena kuwena? Do you know what happened?
I silatsamaya akere the more untsuhula ne more like more witchcrafting. Ya etsa lo ya tsamaya ke re ko wena. And then cause ya hula ke the more unzo e feeder ya hula tshwanetse e tswe mo. Ya hula and then e etsa like jwalo o se dula mo e dulang teng maybe ka etsa lo re dula ka montlung. Wabo because there was the day mo loring ne ntse ke dula le mamaka and then ba ntse ke ya kwa likwane ke ya o mama o papa jwalo. So that time ne ke dula ntse ke dula le mme waka. So ha ke le ko mme waka ka etsa be ke tsamaya ke rae wa tsa ke re ke ska go balamo ke ye ho ntate wa ka ke lo robala ko teng.
Yeah.
And then ya tla yona like that snake.
Eh.
Like ingfuna like the ingfuna ngwakempela ya shika ya shika roof ya etsang.
Yo.
So ke le mo ka la bona ga man nna something e etsalang ka this girl. So ke re ne se hodile ntwe impatla jwale obvious tshwanetse re kana go eteng a yo batla yo thole.
Okay.
So kanti itlile mo lengong itlile momme wa ka ne nna ke kwa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, no ngiyakuzwa ke lapho. Hayi, and then ke wathola ke manje the real deliverance.
Yeah.
Okay, before that, umntwana, do you know what happened ngomntwana loyo? Wakho
Angazi.
nesocasta.
Angazi ngoba
Eh.
I had so many children there.
How? Not
Benginabantwana.
only that one.
Benginabantwana abaningi abangisizayo. Uyabo, but
Okungabakho.
yeah.
Okay.
But this one elori ngamenza no brother.
Yes.
Beliene elori he was needed ngoba tshwanetse re I think to ya rona e be strong like wa bona.
Oh.
So ba bona bana taba. But that one ne tshwanetse be teng ngoba ntwe ne tshwanetse be strong.
And ubrother lo udlalela i-team edumile futhi la amakhulu. Noma singasasho ngegama lethi.
Yeah, ska bua le gama la TB.
Yeah. Yo,
Hey,
this is hectic.
ska bua le gama la TB but
Yes.
yeah, yena udlala PSL.
Oh.
Udlala PSL. So
Yeah.
yeah.
All right, sizongena ke manje kwindaba la khona uthi wayithola i-deliverance ukhulile wakhuluma nawo uNkulunkulu and then you started to see manje. Right, sizongena kuleyo part leyo. Ngicela before singene kuleyo party sivale for now. Sizokwazi ukwenza another party.
Okay.
Yeah, no, akunankinga. Siyabonga. Yeah, nje ngalo bufakazi obulethayo uvula amanye amehlo. Uvula amanye amehlo like kunezinto kahlahle eziningi izinto esingazazi la emhlabeni.
Yeah.
But nje sobonga ukuthi kuloko njalo uNkulunkulu khona for deliverance. Sizoqhubeka nale message okhuluma ngayo. Ngibonga nje ukuthi uNkulunkulu wakudeliver uzositshela ngaleyo deliverance nokunye ukuyaphambili. Hey, ya nje nizwile engakusho mina uthema ukhuluma wathi umuntu abebengakwazi ukumthola kahle umama because ebeyiChristian. I believe ebesendisiwe ne born again. Ngifuna ukuthi kumuntu osekhaya thatha uJesu nje abe inkosi nomsindisi. Uyezwa nawe uma ngaba unawo uJesu Kristu eyikodlalwa ngawe kakhulu. Ya nje bayokwenza noma ngabe yini abantu. So sinda kuphela ngoJesu Kristu. Lo abathi abanye umJuda abanye bathi umlungu. Bathi abanye eyisomenzana umlungu. Hayibo owethu sonke.
Yeah.
Sonke emhlabeni owethu sonke. Mthathe nje abe inkosi nomsindisi uzokwazi ukuthi uphephe kulezi zinto. Uma zikhulunywa kanje ngempela kusho ukuthi zikhona. Mhlawumbe amazwi akho nje okugcina for now. I don't know ukuthi uzofuna abantu bakucontact yini mangabe ungenankinga ungawashiya nama contact I don't know but mangabe ukuthi hayi no ama contact no it's up to when.
Ngizowashiya
Okay.
yeah.
Yes.
But like into ebengifuna ukuyikhuluma ukuthi a person must be serious like ngempilo yakhe like be serious. Skadlala wari hayi ngikisana le kausani. No, kausani you don't have it. uNkulunkulu kuphela onayo tomorrow.
Yes.
So today take it very seriously. Don't just risk ngempilo yakho uthi like usansani like ugcine izilintho zami olifathini uri hayi imoto yami yini wabona. So if you are still like on that thing
Yes.
awunohono ubana le relationship le mongana Jesu awunohono ho like ho mo bona like in your life
Yes.
Satan o tlo dula ntse o sebedisa like each and every time if wena also ka like decision ya hore wa tsa keng ka etloela ntwe like
Yes.
witchcraft ka etloela drinking ka botloela bofebe nya buyekela like ntho le ngwe le hore it's against like uNkulunkulu ngiyayekela so
Yes.
that's where uzombona khona ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyasebenza
Yeah.
ngoba like there are many people baring uNkulunkulu uthanda uzibanibani ngoba uzibanibani is a pastor or maybe she's a prophet or what no ayikanjalo uNkulunkulu uthe mina ngithanda wonke umuntu but uthe if like there's a chapter like name I think it's John chapter number 14 I think maybe I don't kindly remember the verse ore if lona la ngata bolokang melao ya ka if niyangithanda like savang di yazi isiZulu bangcwele
Okay.
yeah but
Gcina imithetho
imithetho yami
Okay,
yabona
yes,
so uma uthanda uNkulunkulu wake impela uthi mina like ngiyamthanda uNkulunkulu ngidele konke okwami uzobona khona ukuthi uzoyeka yonke into uNkulunkulu akayifuna empilweni yakhe and do his will ngoba
Yes.
uNkulunkulu uthe mina abantu abazongena embusweni wami abantu abayenza intando yami
Yebo.
so yabona so yeah ukanjalo
Amen. All right, my contact.
0068
Yebo.
592 9183
Amen. Hayi, ngino sister blessing la. Siyabuya ngo part 2. Ya ilokho nje siyabonga kakhulu bazalwane inkosi ayingcine inibusise ngomusa wenkosi uJesu Kristu ahlanganeke kwi video elandelayo. Amen.